Welcome all Standard D5, 6, and 7 to NECTA solving session. Today we are going to solve NECTA 2024. We are going to do question number 1 from A to K. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe and follow so as to be the first one to get this lesson. Straight, let us do question number 1A. We have given 66 plus 21. We are going to put this question into vertical. That is going to be 66 plus 21. 6 plus 1, we get 7. 6 plus 2, we get 8. Our answer is 87. Let's go and do question number 1B. They have given to us 5,743 take away 2,776. First of all, we are going to put it into vertical. Three take away 6, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 4. This is going to be 13, remain 3. 13 take away 6, we remain with 7. 3 take away 7, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 7, remain 6. We are going to have 13. 13 take away 7, we get 6. 6 take away 7, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 5, remain 4. This is going to be 16. 16 take away 7, we remain with 9. Then 4 take away 2, we remain with 2. Our answer is 2,967. Let's go and do C. C, they have given us multiplication question. We have 53 multiplied by 13. We are going to put it into vertical. That is 53 multiplied by 13. 3 multiplied by 3, it is 9. 3 multiplied by 5, we got 15. 1 times 3, it is 3. 1 times 5, we get 5. Then we are going to add. We get 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 5, we get 6. So our answer is 689. Let us do Loma D. We have 504 divided by 9. That is 504 divided by 9. 5 divided by 9, it is impossible. We have 50 divided by 9, it goes by 5. 5 times 9, it is 45. We take away 0, take away 5, it is impossible. Borrow 1 from 5. We are going to have 10, remain 4. That is going to be 5. 4 take away 4, remain nothing. We are going to drop 4. 54 divided by 9, it goes by 6. 6 times 9, we got 54. We take away, we remain with nothing. So our answer is 56. Let us do E. We have 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Since we have the same denominator, so we are going to keep it as 7, and then we are going to add the numerator. That is 4 plus 2, we get 6. And this is our answer. Let's go and do F. They gave us 6 over 7, take away 5 over 8. Since we have different denominator, so we are going to find the LCM of 7 and 8, which is 56. 56 divided by 7, it is 8. 8 times 6, we get 48. Take away 56 divided by 8, it is 7. 7 multiplied by 5, we get 35. 48, take away 35, we get 13 out of 56. And this is our answer. Now we are going to do G. It is multiplication question. It is fraction. They gave us 5 over 6 multiply 7 over 12. For the fraction multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 5 multiplied by 7, we get 35. 6 multiplied by 12, it is 72. We can't simplify this more, so our answer is 35 over 72. Let us go and do H. It is a decimal question. They gave us 43.36 plus 25.38. Let us put into vertical. That is going to be 43.36 plus 25.38. Here we need to be very, very clear with the decimal alignment. So let's add 6 plus 8, this is 14. We write 4, carry 1. 1 plus 3 plus 3, we get 7. We are going to drop our decimal. 3 plus 5, it is 8. 4 plus 2, we get 6. Our answer is 68.74. Now let us do I. Also, it is a decimal question. We have 86.42, take away 39.48. Let us put into vertical format. Two take away 8, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 4. We are going to have 12, and here remain 3. 12 take away 8, we remain with 4. 3 take away 4, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 6. We are going to remain with 5. That is going to be 13. 13 take away 4, it remain 9. We are going to drop our decimal. 5 take away 9, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 8, remain 7. That is going to be 15. 15 take away 9, we remain with 6. 7 take away 3, we remain with 4. Our answer is 46.94. Let us now do J. J, we have integer question. They gave us positive 235 plus negative 200. So what we're going to do first here, we are going to combine these two signs to have single sign, and we are going to do that by multiplying these signs. That is going to be positive multiplied by negative. We are going to get negative 200. Now we can take away positive 235, take away 200. We are going to remain with 35, but it is positive. Let us finish the last question. K, they gave us also integer question, that is negative 367 plus positive 124. The first thing, we are going to combine these two signs to become single sign, and we are going to do that by multiplying these signs. Positive multiplied by positive, we are going to get positive 124. Now, it is easy to work out. We are going to take, because negative is more than positive, we are going to take a negative, take away a positive, but the answer is going to be negative, since negative is small. So I'll take 367, take away 124, 7 take away 4, it is 5, 6 take away 2, it is 4, 3 take away 1, we get 2. But remember, since negative has more quantity, the answer is going to be negative. So our answer is negative 245. Point of correction, here 7 take away 4, it is 3. So this is 3. The answer is negative 243. I hope this is going to be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and like. See you next time. Bye.